Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the fingerprint on your Redmi 14C. So if you prefer using a fingerprint to unlock your device, you can simply add a fingerprint on this device. All you have to do is access the settings. So find the settings app and tap on it to proceed. And then within the settings, scroll down and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock and select it. And then within the settings, simply tap on fingerprint unlock. So tap on that and give it a few seconds. Now, if you had already set up a screen lock, you'll have to confirm your screen lock, be it a PIN, password, or pattern. But if you have not set up a screen lock yet, you'll have to set up a screen lock from this point so that you can proceed to add a fingerprint on your device. So I had already set up a screen lock, so I'll just type in my PIN and then tap on next, and then you should see add your fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is located on this power button, so it's on the power button, so that's where your fingerprint sensor is. So all you have to do is place the finger that you'd like to use on the sensor to begin adding your fingerprint. So do that, and then now you have to add your fingerprint by simply tapping the sensor and repeating the same process until you have recorded your entire fingerprint. So just follow the instructions that appear on the screen to successfully add your fingerprint. And once done, you should see this option, done. And now you can actually rename your fingerprint if you'd like to. So if you want to rename your fingerprint, simply tap on it and type in whatever name you'd like. And then once you're done, tap on done and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to add a fingerprint to your Redmi 14C. So whenever you lock your device and you'd like to unlock it, instead of using the PIN, password, or pattern, you can simply use the fingerprint. So simply touch the fingerprint sensor and that will unlock your device. So touch it and you can see you have successfully unlocked your device using your fingerprint. So that's basically it on how to add a fingerprint on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.